Hey guys, welcome to my channel Zubabies and Vlogs. Our today's task is to open this blind bag and look what's inside. This is Squish Deelish blind bag. This is series 5 Squish Deelish. This is saying squeeze me, so definitely something squishy is inside this blind bag. Come on, let's open and see what is inside, what character is inside this blind bag. Actually, my kid is helping me to open this. She is very much excited and I'm also excited to make this video. Come on guys, let's start opening this. Wow, the character is coming out. It's a cat squishy. Actually, Squishdeelish squishies are slow rise squishies that are fun to squeeze. It's squeezing time, guys. Now we are going to squeeze this in different ways and for multiple times. This cat has a clock in its tummy. It's truly satisfying, isn't it? I hope you are enjoying this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this. I'll talk to you all soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.